Okay, so we're working on calculus 1 limits. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're looking at the limit as x approaches 6 of x squared minus 11x plus 30 over x minus 6. So the first thing you're going to try to do is insert the limiting value. The limiting value is that 6. Under the limit thing, you're going to try to insert that 6 everywhere you see an x. So what does that look like? 6 squared minus 11 times 6 plus 30 over 6 minus 6. Well, 36 minus 66 plus 30, that's equal to 0. And at the bottom, 6 minus 6, that's equal to 0 too. We have the indeterminate form, 0 over 0. Okay, now that's not going to fly. But what we could do is we can try to use algebra manipulation to factor this limit, okay? We look at the top of the limit, that's a quadratic, a trinomial. A is equal to 1, and we can try to factor this thing, right? So let's try to factor the numerator. And don't forget, we got to use the factors of 30 to get 11, right? So what are we thinking? 10 and 3? No, maybe 5. Yeah, 5 and 6. So we're going to use the factors of 30, 5 and 6 to make a negative 11. Well, what does that look like? The limit as x approaches 6, at the top we'd have x minus 5 times x minus 6 over x minus 6. Well, use your algebra and look what's going to happen. You see the things in purple, those two things are going to cancel out. So let's cancel those things out real quick. And right here, I'm left with just x minus 5. So remember, the first time that you use the limiting factor, it's not the end because it didn't work. You just try to make it happen somehow, some way. Well, now we're going to try to make it happen somehow, some way. And as long as nothing weird happens, like 0 over 0, we're good to go. All you got to do is insert the 6 now in place of the x. And of course, if we put 6 minus 5, that's going to give us 1. And that would be the answer to this question. So yeah, let's answer this question. What is the limit as x approaches 6 of x squared minus 11x plus 30 over x minus 6? Well, the answer is equal to 1. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stop by for more limits. Any questions, comments, and concerns, leave them down below. And I will see you next time.